Okay, so here's what I have built. So just to give you an idea, this is the thing that we built. So you can see here's the raised lettering, Chesapeake and Ohio. Okay, uh, with the stairs, and let me turn on the light. All right, so here's the tender. So you can see I got a better background. I have lights above. In doing the filming, I have lots of glare issues, so I'm just trying to manage all that. So you can see the raised lettering. It says Chesapeake and Ohio. Here's my stairs or ladders in the front and the back. You can hopefully see that. And then here's the lid. I'll just bring that over here so you can see that it works. You can raise it, lower it, and then I've got the yellow handrail. Now what we were looking, the picture we had here, let's just see that again. So this was Pennsylvania Railroad, and they did it all black. That looks to be white lettering, or cream colored. This is my train car. I made it from scratch, so I will interpret it my way. So I have a great big long yellow handrail. Let's see the other side, like so. And right in the end, there you can see it. It says Dad's Fuel. Okay. And anyway, so we have this piece. You have that piece. Obviously, a third piece is that rail. And then here's the base. So it's all set precisely for the trucks and the washers and everything that's going to go in here. And then here is, I made this bottom plate that just, there was support in here, so it just goes down on that. And here's 4 screws that go in there. And when I put this together, it screwed together just as easily as can be. Everything just aligned perfectly. And so if you look in here, we can't possibly, I'll bring it up, yeah, you can see. You'll notice in here, there's a little hole. And so how does this thing stay in its place? Well, it worked really just the same way this railing works. It's simply a little piece of wire from a paper clip, went right through and held everything in place. So I was able to very reliably, using the 3D printer, put a very precise hole through there and boom, put everything together. So it all fit. And when I look at this, I think for a first thing to design and build, pretty darn good. Build time was around 12 hours for all that to be made up. And so with that, all that's left is when it goes down to Texas, they'll unscrew this base, they'll attach the trucks, which is just a couple of washers, couple of screws, boom, they'll be on. The couplers will then protrude, are connected to the trucks, and they will go out the front and the back. And hopefully we'll be seeing this run here in a week and a half or so. Anyway, so that's, I'm going to end the video right here as far as this goes, and hopefully get a little more video from Texas of Dad getting his fuel, and then we'll see this thing running. When I showed this to Katie, she liked it. She thought this was pretty cool, and I think she said it well. She said, this is so empowering to have an idea and bam, make it happen just like that. It was just sort of a little over an afternoon's work, thinking, designing, and deciding how I was going to approach it, and it was just plain fun. This was just plain fun. So, hope you find it interesting. We'll add to this video here in just a moment, and We'll catch you later now.